Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So in this video, we are going to create one animation. This is very small project, so we can do this project within a 10 minutes also, okay? So for this project, I will first run this. I will show you what you will get. You need to just create a rainbow cat animation, okay? So we will create this. For this, see, we will require our cat. Okay, so we need to just go to the costume. We have to create the cat, or else you can download this cat, or else instead of cat, if you want, you can add any other sprites also. Okay, after that, we will require some rainbow color. Okay, so you have to add this rainbow color. So we have total 7 color here. Instead of this, if you want to add any other color also, you can add. And we will require some backdrop. So this is our first backdrop. This is the copy, just we have a change in line, and this one is our third. So we will require 3 backdrop and 2 sprite. So what I will do, I will explain you the coding part now. So first I will delete this. I will explain you here, okay? And I will delete this one also. So first, we will start from our cat. So for the cat, what we want, when flag is clicked, we want to go to this position, right? Now if I will run, okay. So how we will do that? So we have to just go to the event when flag is clicked. We want to go to one position. So we have to go to the motion, take this. Instead of this position, if you want to add any other, you can add. So this is our fixed position, okay? After that, in the forever what we want, because see, once we will click on the flag, we want to play this forever. So we have to add this forever. After that, what we will do, now we will see that. Okay. After that, what we will do? See, after forever, we want to add our conditions, right? So, after the forever, we will add this if condition. So, inside the if condition means suppose you want to check any condition, okay? So, first thing, how we will check the condition. Okay, this is our main part, like how we will check the condition. So, first, we will see instead of if condition, even we can repeat this. Okay, so after that, suppose you want to repeat, we want to move this cat, so we will take 2 repeat here instead of 10. 10 is very short, right? So we can repeat this 20 times. Instead of 10, we will add the 20. So now what we will do, we will change the x and y position. Okay, so we need to just go to the motion. We will take change x, and once we will scroll down, we will get our change y also. So this is our x and y. Instead of 10, 10 is very big number, so we will do a slight change, and here we will add 0 0.1. And in this, we want to add our negative value. See, that is changing. Okay, so here we want to add the negative value. So here we want, instead of 1, we will add -1, and here we will add c minus 0 0.1. Now see what you will get. See, that is changing. First time positive x, then negative, positive, negative. Okay, but if you will see this, this rainbow is not changing. Okay, so for rainbow, what we have to do, we will do the exact thing for rainbow also. Okay, so we need, so this is very easy, like how you will copy this code here. So the first way, we can just drag and drop this here. So if you will take your rainbow, you have to drag this neatly, or else I will show you your second way also. See, so now you have this. Okay, so this is the first way, like how we can drag and drop the code. Now see, if I will run, you will get both the things are changing. So in this way, you can create any animation. Okay. After that, I will explain you how you will add your music. So for that, you need to just go to the backdrop, and here we want our next backdrop. As you can see, it is looking, this one is also changing, right? Your backdrop. So for that, when flag is clicked, we want that forever. And now we will take next backdrop. Means it is slightly changing your backdrop, and we have to wait only little bit. And when flag is clicked, we want this dance celebrate sound. Okay. So in this way, we can create this animation as you can see. Okay. See. So instead of this, if you want to add any other things, any other sprite or any other thing, even you can add that. Okay. So please complete this project. I will give you the link in the description box. You can check. Okay. And you have to also complete this. You have to give me the link in the your comment section. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Nice to meet you.